Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Avalanche's meteoric surge, AvaCloud garners 1 million active users in record time. Avalanche, a prominent blockchain platform, has recorded a significant increase in monthly active users, surpassing the 1 million threshold for the first time, a week after the debut of its innovative AvaCloud platform. AvaCloud is a unique service that enables the creation of custom blockchains or subnets on the Avalanche network, paving the way for developers and users to deploy their own blockchain networks effortlessly. Following the introduction of its innovative cloud computing service, AvaCloud, the renowned blockchain platform Avalanche AVAX has achieved a remarkable growth milestone. The platform has seen its monthly active user (MAU) count breach the 1 million mark, a first in its history. Ava Labs, the mastermind behind Avalanche, attributes this exponential growth to the recent launch of the AvaCloud platform. AvaCloud is a groundbreaking solution designed to facilitate the creation of subnets, or custom blockchains, atop the Avalanche network. This platform, which requires no extensive coding experience, paves the way for developers and users to build and deploy their personalized blockchain networks swiftly and seamlessly. AvaLabs founder and CEO, Eamon Gunsirer, underscored that the advent of AvaCloud has revolutionized the construction of customizable blockchains and specialized decentralized applications. Notably, numerous projects like the SK Group from Korea, gaming app Blitz, and AAA game studio Shrapnel have committed to leveraging AvaCloud for creating subnets, attesting to Avalanche's growing appeal across a spectrum of industries. At the time of reporting, AVAX, Avalanche's native cryptocurrency, is trading at $14.20, a 1.25% increase over the past 24 hours, suggesting a positive price trajectory. With its 1 million MAUs, Avalanche has demonstrated its robust capacity to process a substantial volume of transactions and interactions. This achievement underscores Avalanche's standing as a major player in the blockchain ecosystem. Looking ahead, Avalanche's rapid growth and expanding user base are indicative of a promising future. As an increasing number of developers and users tap into the benefits of Avalanche's technology, industry observers are predicting a surge in the adoption and utilization of its blockchain protocol and services. The expanding adoption of Avalanche is also reflected in its growing network of partnerships and collaborations. Circle, the company behind the USDC stablecoin, recently announced the native availability of its euro-backed stablecoin, EUROC, on Avalanche, marking its first foray into multi-chain expansion. In a similar vein, Alibaba's cloud division has developed a platform that enables enterprises to build metaverse spaces on the blockchain. Price prediction. Avalanche price today is $14.39 with a 24-hour trading volume of $193.94 million, market cap of $4.82 billion, and market dominance of 0.42%. The AVAX price increased 2.35% in the last 24 hours. Avalanche price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 2, 2023 at 1700 hours, the general Avalanche price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 7 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 20 signaling bearish signals. AVAX price prediction was last updated on June 2, 2023 at 1700 hours. Avalanche key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $14.09, Avalanche has support levels of $13.90, $13.69, and the strongest at $13.51. Similarly, Avalanche resistance levels are at $14.30, $14.49, and $14.70. Avalanche reached its highest price on November 21, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $146.18, while Avalanche's lowest price was recorded on December 23, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $2.79. The lowest price since its ADH was $10.61, cycle low. The highest AVAX price since the last cycle low was $22.65, cycle high. The Avalanche price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Avalanche's current circulating supply is 334.60 m AVAX out of max supply of 720.00 m AVAX. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 19.24%, meaning 54.00 m AVAX were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Avalanche is currently ranked number 7 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, ranked number 1 in the Avalanche network sector, and ranked number 11 in the Layer 1 sector. Avalanche is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 25 days, since May 7, 2023. The price of Avalanche is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 35 days, since April 28, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 9 days ago, on May 24, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 19, 2023, which was 103 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Avalanche's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $16.81 by July 2, 2023. Avalanche's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $13.63 by July 2, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 37.56, which indicates that the AVAX market is in a neutral position. According to our current Avalanche price prediction, the value of Avalanche is predicted to drop by -4.38% and reach $13.72 by June 7, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Avalanche recorded 13/30ths, 43%, green days with 5.93% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Avalanche forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Avalanche. Comparing Avalanche against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Avalanche price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Avalanche price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, AVAX price prediction for year 2026 is $580.03 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Avalanche would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $66.54. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.